Look at the before and now the after. The result is what you get when your home is planned right. This is a real home transformation designed for one of our clients. You can see a large open space, but there was no layout, no seating plan, and no clear function. But the potential is there. The process focused on understanding how you move, gather, and relax, then translating those needs into the right furniture sizes, materials, and lighting so daily living feels natural and comfortable. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. The space was large but empty, but there was still no furniture or clear design direction, so it felt unfinished and hard to imagine. What you needed was one strong seating and entertainment axis, so every furniture piece points to supports or balances that main direction. Before adding furniture, you first lighten up the ceiling. You don't need to do much. Just install LED strip lighting running around the ceiling edges. Then, track lighting to let you aim light exactly where it's needed. Now, for the furniture. You can add a low-profile L-shaped modular sofa. This sofa is chosen because you need flexible seating for a large open space. Layer it with mixed throw pillows in the same neutral color family, but in different shades, so the sofa gains depth without looking busy. Pair it with a low rectangular coffee table in light wood and soft gray. The materials feel consistent with the sofa, so the center of the space feels calm and balanced. Style the table with stacked books or a small decorative object to keep visual balance without clutter. Add a low-profile side table with open shelf. Its height matches the sofa seat, so reaching for items feels natural and comfortable. Keep only a few items on top to maintain a clean, controlled look. Place a large woven area rug in a soft beige-gray tone. This quietly organizes the seating area while adding warmth and softness to the hard floor. To avoid a plain wall, use one large abstract wall art. It adds character but avoids visual noise. For accent lighting, use an arc floor lamp with a dark dome shade and pair it with a mushroom-style table lamp in similar material. This solves the problem of random accent lights, so the space feels styled and cohesive. Now, move to the entertainment area and turn it into the main anchor of the room. Create a full-height accent wall using matte beige panel boards. This replaces a plain white wall, but keeps the color soft, so when you mount your smart TV, it doesn't visually overpower the room. Install a wall-mounted floating TV console in warm gray laminate. This gives you storage while staying clean and light. Its length balances the TV and sofa scale, so all major elements align and feel balanced. Style the area with small decorative objects and add a tall indoor plant in a textured neutral planter so the entertainment area feels fresh and alive. To balance the wide wall, add a floor-to-ceiling open wood shelving with warm backlighting. This vertical element offsets the horizontal TV wall so the overall composition feels complete. You can place books and small sculptures on the shelves to support the design. You turn an empty open space into a fully connected living area. Nothing feels extra, but everything has a role, so the living room becomes comfortable and modern. The estimated total cost is around $3,850 to $4,250, and similar products are tagged below so you can easily recreate this look. For this dining area, the goal was to connect it with the living space through consistent tones, materials, and lighting style, so your home feels cohesive instead of divided. To create one clear design language, a large neutral panel wall was used to keep the dining area calm and elegant. The textured wall panels on both sides add depth without using bold colors. These soften the flat panel wall, but still keep the look modern and balanced. You can then place a rectangular dining table in black tones centered to the panel wall. This placement creates symmetry, so the dining area feels grounded and properly aligned, while the darker tone adds contrast to light materials. Pair it with curved-back, upholstered dining chairs to improve comfort during long meals. The soft fabric balances the hard table finish, so dining feels relaxed and inviting. Minimal table decor was kept simple to avoid clutter, so attention stays on the finishes, lighting, and furniture arrangement. Aligned directly above the table is the linear globe pendant chandelier. This connects lighting to furniture placement, so the warm glow also makes meals feel more welcoming. Also, up and down wall sconces balance the pendant light, so brightness is even while also highlighting the wall texture. From finishes to furniture and lighting, this dining area was designed to work as one system, at an estimated total cost of $2,130 to $2,350. This Majlis is designed around symmetry, eye contact, and calm movement, so conversations feel natural and the space feels welcoming. For the ceiling, it uses similar lighting to the living area, but here a statement ring chandelier is added and placed at the exact center for general lighting. A neutral panel finish is also used to add texture without color contrast, so the space stays calm and visually balanced. Now for the seating and furniture arrangement. A set of modular tufted sofas is placed facing each other to encourage face-to-face interaction. This solves the problem of scattered seating, but the low height keeps the space open and visually light. The seating is layered with soft textured pillows to add comfort, depth, and a more relaxed feel. A round center table with small decorative accents on top is chosen. It improves movement flow so you can walk around easily without sharp corners interrupting circulation. A large neutral area rug connects all seating pieces, so the Majlis reads as one complete and unified space. You can add a low-profile side table with an open shelf for easy access to daily items. This is paired with an arc floor lamp and a mushroom-style table lamp. These support daily use, but they also balance the visual weight on one side of the room. To style the wall, a large-scale artwork is used, but not to overpower the space, so your eye stays focused and calm. You can install slim vertical sconces placed symmetrically. They are kept minimal in form, so they add height without creating visual clutter. Hang layered curtains to filter daylight, but still keep the space bright and soft. Now, since one side of the wall is open to create better division while staying stylish, install a full-height open shelving partition. This gives you clear zoning but still provides storage and display. Decor is kept light and spaced out, using books or ceramic pieces to add texture without shine. You get a Majlis where every seat feels equal, lighting feels calm, and hosting feels effortless. And you can create this for around $4,430 to $4,930. This entire home shows that good design is not about filling space, but about making every area work together, so your home feels calm, modern, and easy to live in. With an estimated total cost of $10,410 to $11,530. This proves that with the right planning, you don't need excess decor or random furniture, but a clear design strategy so your home looks complete, balanced, and truly designed for your lifestyle. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.